Yeah, this, pretty sure it's a 30-seater. It's pretty cool. You can input pops in it, and they fit in there pretty good. You can see that the pop PEZ go too deep. They'll go a total of 5 wide. Even good for these. But we have an empty space, and we need to fill it up. So I'm going to fill it up with what's inside this box. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Alright. Ordered some pops. Now I always open the bottom so we can see a small layer of protection but a lot on top. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Alright. We got some really cool things here, so let me pull them out individually. Now, light blue Huckleberry Hound was this the first one that was released at the PEZ Visitor Center? Yeah, that's what I'm going to say. So that fits nicely. And then we have... Oh, it's right here. There we go. Now we have the Chase version. There are more of the light blue versions over there that were made than this particular one. Hence why it is a Chase. So that will go inside right here. And then Funko released, as you can see here on this sticker, from the Funko shop, they made 2,500 sets of these. Now, they don't number the actual Chase, so you don't see a number there. So I'm not sure exactly what the number is on the actual Chases. But on these nice colored ones, there's purple, green, orange, and dark blue. Boy, they really fit in there tightly. So I guess when you do put this display together and you go to display your dispensers, they aren't going to fall out there and they're pretty tight. Yeah, that's neat. All right. And then, last but not least, we have the one that is limited edition to 600 pieces. So this one actually does have a number on the sticker. And this is the gold Huck. Very cool. So now I have some more dispensers to fill out my box. All right. I just wish they would put the same amount of tagging material in the bottom as they do on the top. But that's cool. They look in nice condition. You want to check your boxes. Make sure your boxes don't have any folds up in through here. You'll see creases here. Sometimes you'll see cuts or something on the boxes from where they open the Funko box with a razor blade. And you want to make sure there's no tears in these corners. And that your sticker's on straight and nice. Alright. Huckleberry Hound. He currently holds the record for the most Pop PEZ dispenser variations. So until next time...